Boom! And just like that, we are back in Driving Empire. So yeah, Bullet is here today, back in Driving Empire. Cause as I don't know if you guys have seen yet, but I've already got a 40 views on my first video that literally wasn't even that long ago. So thanks. Yeah, this guy said nice car to me. So yeah, Jesco seems to be one of the nicer cars in the town. But yeah, okay. So let's go race real quick. So I don't know if you guys, I did buy a Ford GT because this is another one of my favorite cars. So I like these older ones. I was thinking about buying one of the newer ones, but I kind of like these older ones. And this was a car I had before, but then I sold it after a little bit because I kind of like, because when I had this car, I was just trying to get to like a car like the Jesco. After I got to the Jesco, I just started buying cars left and right. So yeah, this is one of those cars that I bought back. We are going to go quickly get a house. So yeah, let's get this corner house, of course, because this is like the last one that's there. Alright, perfect. Alright. I think if you hit the gate thingies, they stay up, because like that one didn't go down. So yeah, I don't actually know though. Alright, let's try cross country race. We'll get out the Jesco real quick. Alright, and then we'll go cross country. Anyone? See if anyone wants to join us in the cross country race. Eventually somebody's got to. Maybe. 6.59, that's not bad, dude. I think I'm gonna go buy maybe a Tesla to use in drag races, even though I don't drag race much. I might as well just have like an electric car to use and drive. Ooh, here we go. We got a Lamborghini here. Nice Lambo. I like that Lambo. I'm actually kind of a big fan of those Huracans. Those Huracans are cool. Nice Lambo. I love those Huracans. Those are so cool. I love those. Like, just the mean look that they give off and the way they look. I like it. So yeah, okay. By the way, my computer is touchscreen, so that's why I kind of was able to move my camera instead of having to press V like last time. Because last time, the only reason I had to press V was because I was on a different part of Roblox, and so it would not, for some reason, let my touchscreen work. And there we go. Okay. The other guy missed it too. So, okay. Doesn't seem he knows kind of how to drive on this race. So, I think we'll come out on top. Plus, we are the Jesco, so we kind of are like the faster car here. Oh gosh, how the heck does that happen? Oh my gosh. Okay, well, it looks like he missed one too, so that's good. But dang, how does that happen? Okay, this thing's getting a little bit tail happy. That's not good. That is not good at all. Okay, well, I'm gonna now have to try to keep this thing under control. Because it's really not gonna work. Oh. Okay, yeah, it's getting a little bit tail happy. I'm like, I keep having to press A and D just like to keep this thing under control. So it's getting a little bit tail happy, which is not what I really want. But yeah, and then I think we might buy that Tesla today too, so we'll do that. Oh my gosh, yes, it's getting really tail happy. Then we might also buy another car, because I don't know. Depends on how much money I have, and how much I want to spend. I don't mind spending a lot, like, dude. I have kind of a lot of money, so I might as well spend some of it. But then I do want to save up for the Jesco Absolute, so I don't know. I gotta be careful around here, because if you go in that water, you're dead, and I don't want this thing to get so tail happy that I literally go into the water and I die. So I'm just gonna be a little bit careful around here. I'm gonna try not to go too terribly fast, even though I'm going like 250. I'm gonna try not to go that fast, and since I'm on the bridge, I'll boost, but I'm not gonna boost anywhere else really, because I don't want to fall into the water and then die. Especially since I'm already like over 50% of the race. It'd be sad to have that happen. Okay. Okay, now we can start boosting since we're kind of somewhat not near the water. Even though it's like right there. Well, I think the curb can save us, I guess. Yeah, the curb should save us actually. They've saved me many times before. So, I trust them. Okay. There we go. I can turn off my lights now, so that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, perfect. This is nice. Okay. Okay, now I gotta be careful over here, because oh my gosh, I've died over here before, because this thing's gotten really tail happy before. See, and it does that too. It just hops over those guardrails. They're so thin. Hops right over them. And then that's one time how I literally got in the water. It hopped right over one of the guardrails and went plop into the water. So that was not very fun. And I was so close to the end too. Oops. Flip, little car. Okay. And at that time I was like super close to the end, and so like kind of annoyed me that I literally had died. Right there. Okay, we're going to see if anyone wants to cross-country race me real quick again. Probably not, but we'll wait here a little bit. We'll see. So we'll just go like that for a little bit. Probably not. Okay, let's go reverse. Let's go reverse. Yeah, I'm gonna go just drive to the dealer real quick since it's like right back here. Okay, so let's go to the dealer real quick. Four-way stop. Seems people don't even know who four-way stops were. The other day we were driving and frickin' ding dongs don't know how frickin' four-way stops were. Oh my god, really, dude? I'm just gonna park here by this nice Lamborghini, whatever it's called. So. Don't pause. Press play. I'm not even in the dealer. Is this guy like freaking playing music? Oh, it is that guy. It is that guy, okay. Okay, well, that guy was playing music, and that's probably like my favorite song from the actual game, because I don't know. I actually had a point out had that car, which was kind of cool. Okay, Tesla. Look for a Tesla. I think this is electric. I'm pretty sure it is. I'm super sure. Yeah, it's electric. It's actually kind of cool. I don't know. I've never actually seen anyone win in that thing. Where the heck are the Teslas? They're not down here, I can tell you that. Oh, they're there. Okay, they're there. I missed it. Kinda sucks. Okay, whatever, we're buying it. For only 196, so that's not bad. Okay. We still have 500k, so let's see, what shall we buy? We could buy that. I'm thinking about it, but I don't think so. I kinda want to buy, where is it? It's the Huracan, because I love those. Those are like my favorite Lamborghinis. It's the Huracan, but that's without the wing. This one's convertible, but oh, here we go. I love the Huracans. Yeah, 281. That's it for this thing. Dang, that's kind of cheap. Maybe black out the. Ooh, that's nice. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh heck yeah. Buying a new Lamborghini. Okay. I need to stop buying stuff. But yeah, we finally have the Tesla and the, where is it? Oh, I just lost it. You're kidding me. And the Lamborghini, which obviously I'm gonna. Dude, it looks. I think that was not the color I got it in. Bro, it looks good like that. Like honestly, dude. It looks really, really cool. So yeah, I like that. That's kind of nice. Okay, so now actually that we got those cars, let's go. I don't know what happened to my music. What the heck? I think something's wrong with Roblox right now because earlier it did this to me too. Just not playing the music. Okay, well, I don't know then. Maybe if I step back in. Yeah, okay. It's just my thing. My thing was broken. Okay, well, that was that. Okay. Now let's go to circuit. Let's go see about circuit racing. Here we go, here we go. Here we go. People are waiting here for circuit race. Did they win? Did somebody win a circuit race? No, me. I don't know, somebody, okay. Well, circuit race is in progress. Okay, well, circuit race is now in progress right now, which is kind of cool. So, I don't know, we're just gonna wait here for a little bit. Bro, I bet if I was to pull out just my Lamborghini, I'd be able to win. Or watch. I'm gonna pull out my Lamborghini. No, that's the wrong thing. I always click that for some reason. Not my Lamborghini. I'll just pull this out for now. Actually, let's actually. Uh-oh. Let's go. Okay, yes. Okay, I gotta spawn in the race. Oh. I'm way in the back. That sucks. Okay, well, I don't know who's supposed to be in front of me. And they might have accidentally left or something. Oh, okay, they just didn't load it. Okay, that's fine. Alright, well, here we go with the easy lead. The Just Goes obviously in the lead. Easy lead. I gotta be careful around here because this thing will hop over those guardrails. And one time it hopped over and I ended up in the water. And I died. So I got ejected from the race. Of course I did. This seems to be my luck. Still, I still have like one of the best cars in the game, so whatever. Still get like so much money. This one guy's saying, bro. I don't know if he's in the race. If he is, he's probably like, dude, how is the guy so fast? Whatever. I did actually upgrade it, so I do have a drag race motor in it. I do have grippier tires because I don't know if I actually have posted the video yet, because I think it's still being edited. But yeah, and the reason I posted the other videos before was because those didn't need to be edited, so I just posted them. But yeah, so I don't know if you guys actually have seen though, but it's probably not posted again yet, but in one of the videos, I literally, like, it was so like, the tires were not gripping at all. My thing would get so tail happy. I lost the race in, like, 3rd place to, like, a Corvette and something else. Just because I could not get grip at all. Like, the tires were so bad. The stock tires were so bad. Oh my gosh, see? It will get on its side and then that one. It's so, oh my gosh. I don't know if that guy's racing with me, but like, if he is, yeah. That's not a bad job of keeping up. So yeah. Somebody won the thing in like 16 seconds? Dang, that sucks. 16 seconds? That's a long time. Drag race should not take 16 seconds unless you're in like a freaking starter car or something. I don't know. The starter car would probably actually take longer. But yeah. So, let's see. I'm trying to think. What else can we do? I think after this, actually, actually do a car show spawn. That would be kind of cool. That would be kind of nice to do. Have a nice car show. Maybe go race. That'd be actually nice. After this, let's do that. Yeah. That actually is kind of cool. We go do a car show, then after a little bit, we have everyone go to like go to probably the circuit race again, and then we'll go all race in the circuit race. That'd be kind of cool. See who wins. That'd be kind of actually nice. So yeah, I think once we win this real quick, that's what we're gonna do. That seems actually really cool. So yeah, we're gonna go after we quickly win this because we're all literally like almost right there. Boom. Oh, they both left. Wow. Okay. Alright, let's go to the dealership. Perfect. Let's go say car show at dealership. This will be nice. We'll go freaking park right here, of course, obviously. Just go get, like, the best parking ever. Okay, we're gonna go car show at dealer. I can't spell dealership. Races will be held after. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna actually open like the stuff on my car just to make it look a bit cooler. Yeah, no. Who bought the school bus like Game Pass? Like, whoa, that is nice. That Jesco is nice. Yo. That is freaking nice, dude. Nice Jesco. Bro, that color... What is the bus doing? That color combo, oh my gosh. That looks so good. The color combo goes good with the rims. He's telling me hi. I meant hi. Why did it... Okay. What? Okay, what is this guy doing? Yeah. Oh, Lily's a girl. I didn't even realize that was their name. That's really cool. I love this Jesco, dude. I'm taking a freaking picture of this. Freaking cool. I like this. This is freaking nice. Let's go back over to here. Oh my gosh, dude. That looks freaking nice. I love that. Bro. That is actually really, really nice. We're gonna get rid of that menu. I don't know what that thing is, but dude. Is that a Jesco Absolute? No, it's not. Okay. Well, whatever. Okay. My gosh. Can you stop? I'm gonna tell him right now. At the car shop. Okay. I'm gonna tell him, by the way, you guys are on vid, so say hi. Okay. I'm letting them know that they're on a video. So yeah. They can say hi if they want. But yeah, honestly, this Jesco is honestly really nice. If the person who literally owns this Jesco sees this, oh my gosh, dude. That is so nice. Like, oh my gosh, dude. That is so nice. He wants my YouTube. Okay. Yeah. Ooh. Oh my gosh. That P1 touch so good. Ooh, there's a There was a Regera. Now there's a little yikes. Freaking little yikes here. Bro, that's cool though. We got a little yikes here. Dude, this is nice though. Alright. Alright. You guys wanna go race right now? Because I don't actually know if they're part of it. We'll go see if they wanna go race. You guys wanna go race freaking right now? I'm gonna go close up my car. That bus is back. That crazy bus. Oh my gosh, dude. Okay, we're gonna go circuit race real quick. Let's go, okay. Circuit race. Yes. Okay, let's go. Oh, there's a race in progress right now. Okay. We're gonna have to actually wait, so that's gonna suck. I was hoping that it'd be here. This car's cool. I don't actually know what kind of car that is though. I can't make it out. I've never seen that. I'm not even joking. I've never ever seen that. That's interesting. It's an interesting car, but yeah, okay. Yeah, we're gonna actually race real quick, and then I think that'll mostly be it. Bro, that Jesco's like, oh my gosh, dude, though. The Jesco's really cool. The Jesco is, oh, that, bro, I'm friending that person. That freaking person is like, what is their name? Lily, I think it was? They're freaking, that freaking Jesco, oh my gosh, that's actually really, really cool. Not even joking, dude. I love, like, the blue paint actually really well matches. I'm not even joking. Like, the blue paint, it looks so good. And then with the rims, it looks even better. And then that white trim kind of thing. Kind of like that. Oh my gosh. It looks so good. Oh my gosh. Like, if she's watching this right now, congrats to you. That is, like, the best Jesco I've ever seen. I love that. I'm not even joking, dude. So, yeah. Oh, damn. This is gonna take a while. Hopefully not that long. I put my gears on. Cool. Alright, yeah. I don't actually know how long this is gonna take, so I'm just gonna do this for like a second or two. Yeah, I don't actually know how long this is supposed to take, dude. I'm about to like hop out my helicopter and we'll see how long it's gonna take. That's freaking gonna take long, dude. Yeah, that's gonna take freaking long. We'll go cross country. I'm gonna ask cross country if they want to do cross country. We're just painting his little freaking car right now. I'm gonna ask them if they want to do cross country or not. Okay. Never mind. They just finished. So, okay, well, that guy just finished. That thing, I don't even know what that thing is. What is that? Yo, the Jesco's back. Oh, yes. That thing actually, oh my gosh, wow. That looks so good. But I'm about to freaking change my color to, like, that color. Just that, oh my gosh, that looks so freaking good. Congrats to that person. They have a very nice taste. I just put red and black because I like that combination. Oh my gosh, we got like 50 people here. Dang, okay. It's gonna take a little bit, probably. Let's hope that doesn't take that long though, because I would like to get racing soon. It's gonna take a little bit probably, which is not good. I don't want it to take that long because it's like almost out of time anyway. Let's do a something race. I don't know what race he meant. Highway maybe? I don't know. Mighty something. I think it's like 15 subs. tell him 15 subs because I think that's okay. I don't know what else to tell him other than 15 subs, and that's it. Oh my gosh, I'm not using Peely. Oh, let's go. I don't actually. That's cool. I want to actually add the I Am Speed package to the Peely. Why I don't actually know, but it'd be funny. The Regera. Ooh, it's a nice Regera, dude. I like the Regera. Oh my gosh. Yo, I'm in the very back with the Regera. I'm gonna suck. Let's hope I actually win, because I actually upgraded my car. So I should hopefully be able to beat that. So I don't know, I might actually not win. We'll see though, because this is, oh my gosh, this is mayhem. It's crazy. Oh my gosh. Okay. Dang, I'm in 4th place because of this. Dang. It's the 3 Koenigseggs that are actually right now. And the Corvette. Somehow the Corvette's up here too. Which is actually kind of nice. The Corvette is actually able to keep up with us. There we are, like the... Oh my gosh, no! I'm gonna die! Okay, I literally... If I would not have hit that wall, I would not have... I would have ended pretty nice, but... I hit the wall. So, of course. But whatever. Anyway, we are in 2nd place. I don't know where the other Jesco went. Oh, there it is. It's up here. Oh my gosh. I always have trouble with it sometimes. The other Jesco actually somehow made it, which is nice. So, okay. Oh, there goes the tail happiness again on this car. That sucks, but whatever. Okay. Oh my gosh. Wow. 724742. I just realized that they just switched up the number. What the heck was that? Okay, I actually don't know what the heck happened there, but okay. Yeah. Alright. Let's see. We got that stuff. Okay, we are finally like 50% done, pretty much. I don't know where everyone else is. They're probably way up here now. Yeah, they're probably way up here. You should probably see them for like the rest of the race. I'm gonna win. Okay, I don't know what he means, but yeah, do that. Okay, well. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I don't need because I think it's the Regera and the Jesco that are in first place. But I think that Jesco is upgraded. Not gonna lie, because honestly, keep getting stuck. Which is annoying. It's fine if I win 3rd place. I don't actually really care. I'm just so used to winning first though. But I think yeah, it's the 3 Jescos that are up here right now. The other cars I don't even know where they are right now. So I could probably upgrade this Jesco more. Probably should put the I Am Speed package on it and we'll be good to go. Although I think it's already pretty I Am Speedy. Oh, there's a Corvette. Wait, he's really actually far behind us. He's in last place. Think about it. I didn't move up any places. So yeah, I think he's in last place. Sucks. Yeah. Dang. Okay. Well, that sucks for him. Circuit race already won by 1 person. Dang, that's not bad, dude. What the heck happened there? I was not even pressing that freaking button, the turn button. So I don't know what happened there. But whatever. It doesn't matter. Okay, well, oh my gosh. See, it gets like tail happy. But yeah, guys, I think that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was pretty fun, honestly. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out. And then don't forget to join my Discord down below. So you know when I post new videos like this one. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Now we'll see you guys again later. Goodbye.